welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what's inside my Coach Nina carryall. So I just got back from working at the office and I thought I would film this to show you all how I use this bag for work. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So inside of this tote, here's like an overhead shot of the chaos, but I just brought a few different things. So starting off with the side pocket. So I of course had to bring my work laptop. So that is in here. And then I don't have anything in this other pocket. I did bring 2 planners. So let's take these out. So I brought my day designer, which is like my personal daily, as well as my Hermes hourly, which I've been using for work again recently. And then I have it in this Louis Vuitton agenda cover so I can throw any papers in here that I might get at work in there. So I brought those 2. And then I have, let's start with my Pasha accessory. So at the office, they already have chargers literally everywhere, keyboards, mouse, but I did want to bring my phone charger just for fun. I also use this to carry my stationery stuff. So I have my phone charger in here. I just don't take it out. I primarily keep whatever tech stuff I have in here for travel, so that way everything's always together and I don't have to rummage for it. And it's pretty light, you know, so I don't mind like carrying it with me whenever I take this with anywhere. But I have my whiteout, some pens in here, and then I again have my mouse. So I didn't need my personal mouse, but I just keep it in there so I don't lose it pretty much. But that is in my Pasha accessory. What I like about this is that I can, if for example, lunch was catered, but if we were to go out to lunch and I didn't want to bring my big tote, I could just dump everything out and convert this into a bag, which, you know, everybody uses this primarily as a bag. I use it as an SLG. I rarely use it as a bag, I want to say. I have in the past, but it's just, I don't know, I have other bags that I like. But what I do like about bringing this is that I can use it as a bag whenever I need it. So yeah, 2 for 1. And then I have my reading glasses in here. And then I have my Chanel mini cosmetic case. I have glasses cleaner, my Chanel makeup double mirror thing, my what's Touchland watermelon hand sanitizer. It's my favorite. Chanel perfume purse spray. Oh my god, I can't talk. It's the Coco Mademoiselle. Little travel size mascara. I like taking these with. And then the Candy Glaze lip gloss from Saint Laurent. I have like wipes in here too for my glasses, or I should. Ooh, did I run out? I might need to put some more in here. I try to keep anything that I need to clean my glasses in here now that I've been wearing since I've gotten them. So yeah, I got a little cleaning cloth there too. So that is what I keep inside of here. I need to bring just like a normal lip gloss. I need to add that in. I think I have it in my Monterey BB. But this is like a colored one. It is number 15. So it's a little bit darker, but I really like it because it kind of is like a pigment on my like natural lip color. So we have that. We have my sunglasses. These are the Chanel Aviators. We have these in here. And I have my wallet just on the side. So I have the double flap Chanel card holder. And last item is my keys. So I like tucking them into any side pocket so I can easily pull them out. Or if I need to open the trunk or something, I have my key ready. But this is the 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton with my keys. And yeah. Other than that, that is everything inside of my tote. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.